Hello, this is Professor Gibson, and this is a short video about using Excel to calculate either the number of combinations or the number of permutations. All right. So let's say we've got a baseball team with 25 players. Okay. And then our first question is going to be how many different sets of 9 players can play? Let's say start a game. All right. Well, so order doesn't matter on this one, right? There's no sense about order. That makes it a combination. Okay. So for combinations, in other words, when order doesn't matter, in Excel it's equal, COMBIN, right? Open parenthesis, and then you put the bigger number, in this case that's 25, comma, and then the smaller set that you're choosing from the bigger set, 9, close parenthesis. All right. So now let's say how many different batting orders can the coach make? Okay, so the difference here, it's still 9 players in the game, 9 players batting, but the difference here you see it's got order in it, right? Got the word order there. So order matters this time. It makes it a permutation. All right. Well, so the command is permute then, or maybe it equals PERMUT, open parenthesis. You can do the same thing. It's the same setup. So the bigger group is you've got 25 players and you're going to choose 9 from them. So 25 comma 9, close parenthesis. Now, this happens sometimes with bigger numbers. You see the number here has an E in it, so it's written this in exponential notation, which doesn't help very much because you can't put that into Connect Math. So click on the number again, and then right click on it, come down here and pick Format Cells. And then on the next screen at the bottom, pick Custom, and then you pick 0, just double click 0, and you see it took the scientific notation away. All right. So for a combination, if you come up over here, you can see what it says in that cell. It's equals combin and then the 2 numbers. For a permutation, it's equals permute and then the 2 numbers. And if you need a number to be switched over from scientific into regular notation, you can right click on it, format cells, custom, and then double click on the 0 or pick the 0 and pick OK. All right, that's it. I hope you find that helpful.